Hello, this is Michelle, and I'm gonna explain about my project, the AI that knows when it's wrong. So it's in project where AI corrects itself when it detects it were wrong, and it adjusts to the user's requirements dynamically with reasoning depth. So it also detects the uncertainties without the interventions of humans. So coming to this current thinking goal, it's in level solution provides five levels to analyze and correct the errors. So it will analyze step by step in each level and give you the correct output. So see how it works. So you are seeing how it works. So it first will be, it will have reactive, and then analytically it will think, and then reflective if it detects the repeated failures, and strategic it will detect what is the goal, and meta reasoning means it will correct itself. A self correction will be made. Okay, so coming to this, today no agent, no particular current AI knows what the user exactly wants. It gives wider explanations for the very simple things and gives very simple explanations for the brief ones. So this has found out the main problem in uses. So let me problem the user finds is, so the current AI agents which are in market, it will execute blindly and will give the result as it is without recognizing each and every step, and it will make mistakes repeatedly without user knowing it. So user do not know it has a mistake or it. So users trust them blindly and choose the wrong informations. So coming to Continuum, Continuum detects at every level. It has, it's not like that. It's something different. It will detect the errors in five levels and give the results. Continuum verifies itself each and every time and provides a better result, is going to produce exact result what the user exactly wants, and learn from the mistakes and self-explore them. Continuum prepares itself and do self-correct by themselves. Thinking level engines that are doing in dynamic. So coming to reactive in the sense it will give very minimum computational result and will give the result. So and then in level 2 it will be analytical, so it break down the problem and it will approach in multiple scenarios, and if it gets possible in all the scenarios it will be qualified. And coming to level 3, so it is reflective, so it will analyze the previous attempts and then identify the failure patterns and then give the very successful patterns. And coming to strategic it will re-evaluate the entire approach and then give the very powerful strategy. And then coming to mirror reasoning, so it examines, so the reasoning process will be continuously done and self-correct methodology is also continuously done to give better results to the users. We are going to see the architecture behind it. So the user will give the goal input, it means what they wanted to achieve, they will give it as an input, am I right? So continuity code, so it will continue from input and then it will give the uncertainty detector. So uncertainty detector, what are the different possible ways that can be uncertain. So and then it will also have a thinking level engine and then tool executions and verification, and lastly it will verify the loop. So it will be done until it is verified. Okay, so thought signature store, so it will be saved in this store. Okay, so and then coming to see it in action, so we are going to do a live demo. So now I'm going to run a demo. So first it's analyzing, it's in level 1 reactive, so it's analyzing either any any. So now we're going to see it in action with a live demo. So I'm going to run this demo. So in first stage it is in reactive, and then in analytically it is thinking, and then reflective, and then strategic it is giving a strategic. So analyzing the approaches in different possible ways, it is analyzing and will give the UI, and then the test is passed at last. So this is the verification, this is the thing it will give verification is passed or not, it will be displayed here. Okay, so coming to this is agent recognition, not an automation. So from this we conclude that no single AI in this generation provides the exact result what the user wants. So it will give like it will analyze the keywords and give whatever they have. So they don't recognize it, they don't they don't detect the errors, they don't detect the mistakes, and then they don't learn from the mistakes. So this is what AI is doing. So our AI is going to re-evaluationize the AI generation. So thank you for this opportunity to present my idea. So I'm grateful for this opportunity.